How to take a screenshot on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to take a screenshot on your iPhone, then it's one of the most useful features, perfect for saving chats, photos, or anything on your screen in seconds. This process works for iPhone 10 and later. So if you have one of those, go ahead and find the page that you want to take a screenshot of. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this home screen over here. Now on your right corner, you'll be able to see your lock screen icon. On the left hand corner, you'll see the volume up and volume down button. Tap on the side power button and the volume up button at the same time. And you'll see a flash on the screen. A small preview appears at the bottom left corner. If you ignore the preview, it will automatically save. If you want to edit it, you can tap on it, just like this. And you can now further edit your screenshot by cropping it and then tap on the tick mark at the top right corner and tap on save to photos if you want to save it on your device's camera roll. So right after you do that, you can take screenshots on iPhones. It is a small feature but incredibly handy for everyday use. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again. Thanks for watching.